Hi, my name is Reece Harding. I'm from the Gold Coast, Australia. I volunteered to join the YPG to fight against Daesh. I believe the Western world is not doing enough to help. The Kurdish people are lovely people, and I've never met such a nice group of people. If anything happens to me, my parents, I love you. Brother, I love you. And Isabel, I love you. Thanks.
Okay, thank you.
Here's heavy fighting between Kurdish Forces, YPG, and ISIS, the terrorist group. It's 27 June 2015. Here is in Ain Isa. It's between Kurdish Kobani and ISIS stronghold, Raqqa. There is a heavy fighting between Kurdish forces and ISIS right now. Australian Reece Harding, he's just recently joined YPG. He joined now to fight against ISIS. They captured one ISIS member right now. He says that they came from Turkey. And they captured one of those ISIS alive. He says that they came from Turkey. He says that the Turkey is supplying everything. They came with the Kurdish clothes and Syrian free armies dressed to attack Kobani. All supplied by Turkey, he says. Heavy fighting between Kurdish Forces, YPG, and ISIS, the terrorist group. Here is Ain Isa. It's between Kobani and ISIS stronghold called Raqqa. It's in Syria. There is a many ISIS killed here. They came with the Kurdish clothes and Syrian free armies dressed to attack Kobani. All supplied by Turkey, he says.
بيسحب جنازه چتا كده دستي هوالا وقدر جبخانه كده دستي هوالا.
It's the 25th of June 2015. Kurdish forces captured one of the ISIS member. He's Egyptian. He came. As you see, he shaved and he dressed free Syrian free army clothes. He told us they all came from Turkey, organized between 24 and 25th of June. Turkish army directly they supply equipment.
ها؟ كتيبة الايه؟ مرابطين؟
عارفها؟
ايه؟
كتيبة مصرية.
تمام. هالناس وهالبشر وهالاطفال شنو الزلم بها؟
انا ما قتلت.
انت قاتلت؟
جيت امتى اصلا؟ جيت امتى؟
انت قاتلت وصار لكم يومين عم تقاتلونا.
أنا قتلت.
تمام.
قتلت.
انا عسكري. انا عسكري مثلك.
It's the 25th of June 2015. Whatever you can see here now, it is a fight between Kurdish YPG and YPG Forces. A man and woman in Kobani. They are there is a many ISIS killed here. They came with the Kurdish clothes and Syrian free armies dressed to attack Kobani. All supplied by Turkey. As you know, the terrorists attacked on the hospital. Nearly 300 people, majority women and children. They killed 254 civilian, majority women and children. And around 300 people injured. They are injured. There's no medicine, no doctor, because hospital being bombed the place. As you know, they killed 254 civilian, majority women and children. And around 300 people injured. Car bomb attack by the ISIS terrorist group. Unfortunately, the sad part of the story is Turkish NATO member. They closed the border on the Kurdish people. They can get the medicine help from Kurdish friend in Turkey, as you know. Turkey jailed one of those Kurdish medicine students came from Diyarbakir to Kobani to help Kurds, and they sent it for 15 years jail because that's just to help the Kurds. NATO is responsible for those kind of attack because Turkey is a member of NATO. There is a heavy fighting going on right now.
Today is the 26th of June. Situation in here, it's very difficult. This is Kobani. The building you see, it is a school, Kurd using as a hospital after the hospital being destroyed by the ISIS. After ISIS killed security guard by the suicide car bomb attack, they took over the building and they killing a civilian inside this building. It is very hard situation. It is very difficult because YPG member, the Kurdish YPG member, need to be careful in case if it's something gone wrong, they're gonna kill the people. Terrorist ISIS groups, they took a civilian inside a building as a hostage. And also, they are attacking the civilian from top floor all around the building.
June 2015. Fighting against ISIS. They came with the Kurdish clothes and Syrian free armies to attack Kobani. All supplied. By Turkey.
Ya valla mal xrab karani mal xrab.
Veri.
Deri da deri.
Godara godar.
Aynı hıstı yanındasın. Pencere sanki.
Ya mobiş tam deri bu.
Ama pencere o çerçeve pencere kötü.
Ne ya yemin abi basan şiş şu.
Evet.
Basan basan da.
La buyumu tak yani tabii. Ver buyum. Serbest serbest vara vara. Vara 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 ne? Vara bir vara.
Bak böyle.
Ya avval Ferhat.